The James Webb Space Telescope is stirring things up out of nowhere. We understand that we might need to change every one of the reading materials about the start of the universe. Kaku has recently reported that James Webb has found what's at the end of the discernible universe, so we should get further into this cosmic stunner. The progressive James Webb Telescope presently lights up the universe's restrict. It investigates a tremendous jungle gym of stars, worlds, and baffling marvels. Envision looking into the ageless vault where antiquated universes murmur the stories of the universe's beginning. Affix your safety belts as we begin this excursion into space. We are going to disclose the privileged insights of the universe's definitive skyline. The James Webb Telescope has recognized 6 cosmic systems that exist a portion of a billion years later the enormous detonation. JWS is a striking creation by NASA that caught them these strange enigmas of the universe call us, and we answer their call. So go with us on this inestimable disclosure as the James Webb Telescope revises the stories of the universe. We should uncover what lies past our creative mind. Stay tuned as we investigate the end of the noticeable universe that limits existence. The mission for enormous comprehension. All through its advancement, humankind has looked toward the universe with interest. It generally considered the limitless ranges of the universe. The speculations behind space and this entire universe have forever been a matter of discussion. Numerous ages of analysts and trailblazers chased after what's beyond our planet. The outrageous enthusiasm to understand the furthest cutoff points propelled them. Antiquated social orders with no innovation used to look up toward the sky. They used to weave incredible tales about gods and divine wonders. They utilized straightforward strategies to dissect the night sky as a grand dance of stars. They noticed the sky, astonished by the heavenly designs and reasonable ties between the earth and what lies above. Progressive advancements like the telescope improved how mankind might interpret the universe. Over the course of time, the renowned Italian researcher Galileo Galilei glanced through the eyepiece and changed our perspective on the universe. He saw Jupiter's moons, demonstrating that divine bodies could move around other than Earth. He switched the obsolete geocentric framework, which changed science with subsequent progresses. The Hubble Space Telescope started to screen the sky by taking shocking photographs of far-off systems and their skylines. Its focal points showed how stars structure cosmic systems, impact, and dark openings work. Each picture expanded the longing to find grandiose secrets. As new enormous questions arose, innovation progressed to answer them. Dull matter and energy emerged out of grandiose obscurity, revealing the universe's parts. The enormous bang's delayed repercussion began to show up in the grandiose back scenery as innovation high-level uncovering new secrets. In this progressive season of revelation, the James Webb Space Telescope enlightens the universe. It tests the secret universe involving infrared beams. The bold quest for inestimable information moves the renowned physicist and futurist Michio Kaku, who is a vital participant in this journey. His unquenchable interest drives us to investigate apparent space. We can now see old cosmic system extreme skylines due to his thought. This astounding grandiose journey goes on as innovation propels. We understand our objective goes beyond telescopes. The night sky astounds us and flabbergasts us, asking us to gaze upward. Regardless of the vagueness, the universe inspires us to think ambitiously, seek answers, and appreciate earthly presence. Before long, we'll have the option to look into the profundities of the obscure. Ms. Haku has highlighted the James Webb Telescope's obscure universe. This bold instrument can transcend time, explore ancient worlds, and modify inestimable stories, and watch the universe develop with us. The James Webb Telescope revealed the brilliant James Webb Telescope. It sees infrared light rather than apparent light, like having astronomical glasses. It lets us see further than normal. The JWST telescope is exceptional. It is a showstopper of designing, a mix of development, and a representation of human expertise. This tremendous, enormous mirror has 18 hexagonal pieces. These mirror parts make a huge view that can see billions of light-years far-off systems, stars, and nebulae. There is substantially more to consider. JWST is a telescope and a time machine. It can identify light that has traversed the universe for billions of years, permitting us to concentrate on the universe's beginnings. Light from old divine beings and worlds is found by the telescope. JWST is an interstellar wayfarer and telescope. It circles the Sun at L2, the second range point. This spot gives an unmistakable perspective on the universe without Earth's air. JWST goes related with Earth, keeping up with arrangement as it looks into space. But what about the intensity of the Sun? The shrewd Sun safeguard is utilized. Imagine a tennis court-sized sun-oriented cover with 5 layers that go about as a cosmic umbrella. This hindrance safeguards JWST from the Sun's solid radiation, permitting it to cool to extremely low temperatures. This coolness is necessary since JWST's infrared finders are adequately delicate to identify infinite flags even after its heating. JWST's infrared capacities address a defining moment. It uncovered mysteries stowed away by the enormous environment gets through residue and fog, obstructing noticeable light, and shows the surprising splendor of far-off illuminating presences and material circles. Utilizing infrared vision, JWST can inspect youthful stars, cloud focuses, and planet environments beyond our nearby planet group. But how should this inestimable wonder occur? It's through private assurance and global participation. NASA, ESA, and CSA collaborated on JWST. Engineers, researchers, and visionaries persisted to make a telescope that is both a logical instrument and an image of human unity. JWST's power will be investigated. Now, we'll concentrate on its objective apparatuses and how it's growing our grandiose understanding. This eminent excursion is directed by visionary researcher Michio Kaku. Together, we'll unwind the universe's mysteries utilizing infrared beams, the striking disclosures of JWST, the James Webb Space Telescope. JWST has embarked on an exceptional space mission. It will change our comprehension of the universe. We should talk about the 3 surprising disclosures that have left researchers confused. Firstly, the telescope's observations have prompted a reassessment of the dim ages. It's a period following the Big Bang when the universe was an expanse of obscurity. JWST's delicate instruments have distinguished unforeseen signs from this stage. It shows star arrangement and intergalactic movement. They appear more broad than previously accepted. These revelations have ignited a flare-up of logical discourse. They changed our comprehension of the universe's initial development. It has raised doubt about long-held convictions. Besides, JWST's capacities stretch out past showing old cosmic systems. Its adequacy has permitted researchers to study extrasolar planets. It followed the radiance of exoplanets as they passed their host stars. JWST has created captivating proof of their structures. This astounding accomplishment opens up new open doors for surveying the potential for life. It has noticed exoplanets and considered the different kinds of planetary circumstance. In this relationship, consider universes as raisins. As the batter extends, the raisins become endlessly further separated. Since the Big Bang, this cycle has stayed steady. Cosmic systems keep on floating further and further separated. So, some cosmic systems are far off to such an extent that the light they transmit hasn't even gotten an opportunity to contact us. It made it tantamount to chasing after a train that had proactively left. This cutoff, known as the molecule skyline, shows the finish of the universe that can be noticed. And what do you know? Rather than unwinding, the field of the universe is speeding up. Dull energy is a secretive power that impels systems separated. It attempts to increment their energy all in all. Some cosmic systems will eventually be driven from further. They could move beyond the perceptible universe's edge. It is past this limit. Actually, we are confused. It is an obscure area, a domain disguised from our view. It is equivalent to gazing into the dim distance without seeing what lies beyond. According to numerous specialists, world groups presently can't seem to be found. Uncovering old worlds utilizing information accumulated by JWST, researchers have made a new revelation. It says that these worlds framed inside 500 to 700 million years of the Big Bang. It flags the start of the universe. For this to check out, we really want to consider that the universe is roughly 13.8 billion years of age. The light radiated by these cosmic systems has been going through space for billions of years. It goes about as a channel to the past, uncovering the universe's earliest years. The cosmic systems go about as time machines that permit us to venture out back to the infinite, dull, dim ages. But how is it that they could be recognized? This is where JWST's best-in-class infrared innovation comes in. JWST recognizes infrared light transmitted by these antiquated universes. Dissimilar to ordinary telescopes that see apparent light, infrared beams penetrate through enormous dust. It uncovers stowed-away articles that are billions of light-years away. Imagine accidentally finding a photograph album with photos from the past. JWST's observation of these worlds uncovers proof of star arrangement, cosmic associations, and early grandiose improvement. These aren't disengaged events. Rather, they give proof of an extremely dynamic and dynamic universe. This struggles with what was recently accepted to be a time of grandiose stagnation. The size and mass of these systems are among the most charming discoveries. They are tremendous, definitely more significant than at first expected. This suggests that the early universe might have delivered immense star-shaping locales. It started the development of cosmic systems far sooner than recently accepted. The mystery extends. What was the system behind the fast development of these cosmic systems? What were the powers behind the advancement of these enormous astronomical designs? We are left with additional inquiries than responds to a consequence of these disclosures. They urge cosmologists to re-examine their theories and models. Researchers are re-examining inestimable development as a consequence of these discoveries. JWST's discoveries show that old universes can shed light on enormous secrets. As we move forward, these astonishing revelations remind us of the ongoing quest for information. They advise us that the universe continually changes, staying quiet, ready to be found. JWST information has changed how we might interpret the universe. It uncovers worlds that arose soon after the Big Bang, challenging forecasts. These revelations, however, present issues. The distinguished worlds surpass hypothetical models in mass, posing issues. According to current hypotheses, worlds shouldn't form until some other time in astronomical history. These discoveries question our cognizance of world arrangement. These revelations prompt a re-examine of star and world arrangement hypotheses. They have given insights into how the primary stars shaped. JWST's discoveries question past suspicions. Cosmologists presently keep thinking about whether major principles require change. The telescope's outcomes feature its capacity and significance. How we might interpret astronomical development has changed. As we learn, all the more new secrets will arise, directing us to more profound cognizance. The James Webb Space Telescope is stirring up our comprehension of the universe unexpectedly. Clearly, we could have to revamp our course readings about the universe's origins. Kaku as of late declared that the James Webb Telescope has made momentous disclosures at the edge of the noticeable universe. How about we dive into this galactic disclosure? The James Webb Telescope has enlightened the farthest reaches of the universe. It investigates an extensive jungle gym of stars, cosmic systems, and baffling miracles. Envision yourself looking into a time container where antiquated systems narrate the universe's origins. Lock in as we set out on this excursion through space. We're going to uncover the mysteries at the universe's edge. The James Webb Telescope has recognized 6 cosmic systems that existed simply a portion of a billion years after the Big Bang. This sensational innovation by NASA catches these astronomical riddles, inviting us to answer their call. Go along with us in this enormous disclosure as the James Webb Telescope revises the universe's accounts. We should uncover what lies beyond our imagination and investigate the limits of reality. Humankind has forever been curious about the universe, looking to grasp its immense scopes. Theories about space and the universe have long been discussed. Analysts and trailblazers have forever been headed to find what lies beyond our planet. Ancient civilizations lacking technology would look at the sky, spinning stories about gods and heavenly wonders. They used simple tools to observe the night sky, a brilliant dance, wondering about the divine patterns and their connections to Earth. Progressive developments like the telescope have continually expanded our inestimable comprehension. The eminent Italian researcher Galileo Galilei looked through his telescope, changing our perspective on the universe. He found Jupiter's moons, demonstrating that not all divine bodies revolve around Earth. This revolutionized the geocentric model and reformed science with further advancements.